Today, we're in Colorado. Mission, whitewater rafting. If you're interested, stay tuned to the channel and let's see what happens. Welcome to the channel. My name's Jamar. This is my beautiful wife, April. Today, we are going to do something we've never done before. We're in the beautiful city of Denver, and now we are approaching the mountains of Colorado, and we're going to be doing some whitewater rafting. Never done it before. I'm not scared. I wanted to do adventurous stuff. We're about to move to another country where we're going to be all over the place. So I figured now would be a good start. But,
You're telling them now?
oh yeah. But because this is going to be a travel video. This is going to be a travel channel essentially. Because once we move out to Thailand, we will
Putting it out there, huh? Putting it to the world.
Is it a secret? Oh, I'm going. Okay. But anyways, yeah, so this channel is going to be about travel, adventures, everything along the way. So click that button down there and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more of, if not the travels, my beautiful wife, or me. I don't know. But for now, let's get back to the mountains. As you can see, Colorado is pretty beautiful. We had to pull over one to get some shots, just to see, one, how cold it is today. It was 104 degrees last week, and today it's like 60 something. So you never know what you're gonna get out here. But this looks like the river that we're gonna be doing. We are in Crystal Creek Canyon, something like that. I'm pretty close. We'll find out when we pull up to it. But class 2, class 3 rapids. Doesn't look like it's gonna be too difficult. I don't know, we'll find out. But before we leave, this is what she does all day long. That's it.
TikToking.
TikTok my ass. What's your TikTok? In case some of my followers
April
that haven't subscribed
Divine.
yet.
It's April Divine. Follow me on TikTok. You won't be disappointed.
You might want to follow me instead. I have more followers than she has, but
Who cares? But I have more views on my videos.
what? More views. You passed 560K?
More views?
560K.
I have 4
You
million
passed
views.
560K. You're saying, you talking about views? The bots are watching your stuff, honey. It's the bots. It's the bots. Yeah. So, like I said, let's go ahead and get back to what we're doing. I'm just trying to figure out right now. They couldn't have just built this whole road right here. This road had to have that dirt patch right there. Really?
They were probably running out of material.
They couldn't have just finished the road? What the hell is that?
Over here.
Okay, so we are here, guys. Clear.
Water rafting company.
Yes, sir. What's up, dude?
Hello.
Hi.
You're on our YouTube channel, so what's going on?
You could park over by
The trash can? That trash can?
No, not the trash can. The car.
Okay.
Next to the car.
Just along the back fence.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. We've arrived on more rocks. Well, little do they know, I'm taking up all these spaces. Next to the trash can, by the way. It's definitely, it's not a day you would wake up and think that you want to go jump in a swimming pool. Even though it was 104 degrees last week. So, it's gonna be very brisk. Wet seats will be required. We're gonna see what happens here.
Guys, leave booties. Not this way and see these guys. If you do not need booties, take a right and just grab a wetsuit.
Who needs booties? Who needs booties? Who needs booties? Let's move this way if we need booties.
Well, we're about to get going. This is my team. There's Jim. What's up, Jim? He's not paying attention. There we go. I'm going forward.
Let's go!
Left side back. Left side back. Left side, paddle back. Just left side. I got okay.
We good? We did our first 360. Good job, guys.
Right side back.
Right side back. You're
Side back.
Stop. Everyone's feet locked in.
locked in.
All right, let's get everybody paddle forward, all together. All together, stop.
1, 2, 3,
All right, get
and
together on this, guys.
1, 2, 3, and go! Forward! Go!
All right, stop. Listen, you can't do the count thing. You gotta look at each other, okay?
Okay.
You gotta be quicker than that. So when I say forward, look at each other and go forward together.
There's our Fakes Falls. How you doing? You feeling good? First big drop. There's a big rock. Boom! First drop. Well, definitely felt that. Wait, that wasn't a drop we just did back there?
Back one. This left side.
Here goes another drop. Yeah! Yeah, baby! Am I on? I told you it's delicious. It's delicious. Oh my god. That shit is delicious.
Stop drinking this.
I can't help it. Step forward. I'm gonna have to close my eyes. Uh-oh. 360s! 360s! So to conclude our trip to whitewater rafting, Idaho Springs, I don't think any place tasted as good as the water I tasted in the Colorado River.
Yeah, because you were opening your mouth.
I was openly accepting the water in my mouth, yes, because it was just that at once you taste it, it's like you get the like, oh, this is the river water out of it, and you realize this is spring water that just melted off a mountainside. Yeah, it was pretty fucking good.
I hate when they do this.
Yeah, looks like they run another 7-Eleven. But hey, so what did you think? You had a good time, babe?
I had a great time. Thank you so much, baby.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
Well,
That was actually the highlight of, I think, all of our Colorado experience.
It was actually pretty good. But fun fact, so yes, while we are going to do adventures, we're going to actually have another adventure going to these restaurants, I would say. We're going to go down to downtown Idaho Springs and check out some of the breweries and get something to eat. So come back for another video. And like I said, if you like the content, hit that button, subscribe. You guys have a good one.